Hi, I have a solution for you where you want to change your titles regarding depending on how many users are you selling them at. Um, it will basically require 2 extra clicks while you're adding, for instance, after you're adding a product, you will select how many products there will be, and everything is fine. But um, the problem here is that we have to use a Zapier integration tool for that. It's on the Zapier.com website. Feel free to sign up. It will be for free. And basically what you have to do is first thing, let's go ahead, go to settings, customize fields. Let's generate the fields and call it single option. Now you can call it number of users. And just type in the option. I'm just gonna type in the first 10, but you can go as far as you like, basically. Okay, so I have the deal now, number of users. If I go back to one of my deals, let's take this one, and this Arnold deal. It's one of my example deals which I've generated. I have this field now here on the details, number of users. So each time you add a product, you will basically select a number of users as well. Let's take number 3 for instance. There you go. And now we have to make a SAP for it. For the trigger app, I will select Pipedrive. When new deal, now the point is, if you go back for Pipedrive for a second, we have to generate a filter as well. Here on top right corner, at the bottom, add new filter, add the condition. We're looking for number of users. There you go. And make sure that it says it's not empty here. So the main point is we need to have a deal. As soon as the deal gets here to that list, the conditions meeting, that means that whatever number is put in, it's not empty anymore, and it will trigger. Okay, so this filter is ID 92. I will generate that new deal. Select your account here. If you make a brand new account, you have to connect your account first. You just click here, connect a new account, and just press loads. Yeah, just press here. It will get you to the API settings. On a green background, just copy paste the entire numbers and letters hash key, basically, pretty much, and just paste it here and click yes and continue. I already have my account set up here, so for the filters, you will now look up for that filter we're looking for. Number of users is not empty. Let me double check. That was 92. This one. I was testing out earlier, but they didn't change the filter. But this one is the correct one right now. Okay. And now we do a test. We should receive Alice Arnold. Let's go ahead. Just title Alice Arnold deal. Okay. So we have the correct data. Let's go ahead for the action app. Now we have to use codes by Zapier. Okay. Now I have this piece of JavaScript codes. You don't have to. Yeah. You have to run JavaScript here. Okay. I have this piece of code. You will be able to. You will be seeing the link to that code in the video description below. Basically, you don't have to write anything. I will just show you exactly what you need to change in order for it to work. Okay, so for the input itself, we will be looking for given value. This one is have to type in manually. It's from here, input, given value. Just put in the given value here, and now you will select the field as number of users. There you go. Okay. The problem is, right now, as you see, if I open this one up, number of users, you will see the data that we have currently sitting on the deal, that comes from this deal here, as I showed you on the new deal. Now, it only gets the ID of the option. I'll show you how you can see that. If you go back to Pipedrive, you go to settings, customize fields, you open up now, you basically open up these options. And now you right click it, so you will have the menu, and at the bottom it says inspect. Mine is in Estonian, but it's gonna say inspect at the bottom. And I'll just inspect that. Okay, and now you will see a bunch of options. So let's look at this one. Let me just change that to easier to see. Okay. Let's do it like this. Okay. You see those values here? 1, 2, 3, up to 10. These are the values which you see here. And now each value has a different ID number. 328, 329, 332, 320, 321, 322, and so on. So these are the option values which we are getting. Now this code, what it does is that it will basically translate those values into an actual, 1, 2, 3, or 4, and so on. So we will select that fields, and we just keep going like this. We start from 328. 328. If 328 goes in, we will start at number 1. You put 1 here. Then 329. Number 2. 330. Number 3. 8, 9, 0. 4. What you can do is that you can simply copy until from case 331 output push. This one is for 4, and then use this break. And just copy paste a couple of times, so we'll have more room to change that. Five, 3, 6, 4, 7, 4, 5, 8, 2 more. Okay. 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. We can double check that. Case 337. If we go back to Pipedrive, 337 equals 10, so everything is okay. Now, and that's it. Oh, let's remove one of these ones. Given value, there you go. We click continue. We'll run it, and we will get number 3 as an output. So this one will give us the right number. Right. But from now on, we're gonna add another value here. This is Pipedrive again. We will update the deal, and I will show you. Just select your account here once more time. And this is where the trick comes into hand. We will have the title right now. We look for deal title, and we type in manually, and then we look for outputs. The output we are getting from JavaScript. This one is here, and users. There we go. Just select the title. Just do what I did here on the deal ID. Select deal ID as well. Sorry, this is deal value. Deal ID, and then the status. I would recommend go with the dynamic way. You just select use custom value, because in that case it will also work even if the deal is, let's say, closed or won or whatever. And use custom value, and look for status here. Deal status is open. Do not touch any other fields, just those ones here. And now let's see the magic as well. I will close this part. I can go back to the deal. Okay. This was, as soon as I click here, it will change the title. There. Now we have 3 users. Now, let's see how it works on live environments. Change title of number of users. Just put it here. Okay. And let's do it. Let's take this one. Testing user deal. This is one of the examples. The number it's empty right now. I will select number 6, and let's wait for it. It should be changing. Okay, I'm hitting that bug again right now. Yeah, it doesn't start anything. Righty. Okay, so basically what happens is that that will basically work. I mean, we run the manual tests as you saw. The only thing what happens right now is that the trigger doesn't fire. We met the conditions here, number of users, it's following the filter, but unfortunately we have to wait until our development team will fix the issue on the trigger. It might take a bit, maybe like a week, hopefully, and then we should be able to fix the trigger. But yeah, basically this will be the tutorial which you can use to set it up, and I will let you know as soon as we have fixed the bug where it doesn't trigger even if you meet the conditions. There was a change recently, but it seems like it was a bit wrong. But yeah, I will let you know. But that was the overall view how you can set it up. If you have any questions about it, just let me know. I will give you some more details about it. Thank you. Bye.